I've been using the Meross Garage Door Opener now for about 2 to 3 months. And I'm going to show you how I did the installation. I also had a garage door opener that was not compatible with this, so they sent me the accessory. So here are the contents of the box. And when you download the Meross app, it tells you to stop if your garage door opener is not compatible. If that's the case, they'll go ahead and they'll send you an accessory to make your current garage door opener compatible with theirs. So here is how you would connect it. And included in the box were the sticky tapes that you would use to put on the back of the opener in the actual device. So here I'm placing the magnetic piece to the top of the garage. And you can see it pointed out there. It's very small. And now I'm going to connect the accessory that they sent so that it's compatible with my current garage door opener. These instructions are all on their website. I have a purple button, but your button can be several other colors: orange, red, green. I will tell you that they do not send you these directions inside the actual accessory that they send separately, so you will have to go online and look those up, or just go back to this video. So there I'm clicking and I'm all set. I will advise to clean the top of your garage door opener so that you can attach the accessories without them sliding. So I've connected it to my power supply, and there you can see I've connected all the pieces and placed them on top. The string hangs down, and I'm going to send it across to meet with the other magnetic device. And before you start to place it on your ceiling, go ahead and make sure that it's working and that you get the notifications. Here I'm showing you that I'm getting the notification that once it's pulled away, it's going to alert me that the garage is open, and then once I bring it a little closer, it's going to alert me that the garage door is closed. There are the 4 screws that they give to you. I only used the 2. I did not put the other 2 screws in the bottom, just there inside of the wood. And I have the big clump of wire left. Now there are ways to reverse this and have the wire just sitting on top of the garage door opener with the other devices, but I decided that this way would work better for me. And if you use zip ties, just make sure that you don't put them too tight. Meross does send you some sticky tape to put on the devices, but they don't send you the 3M, but you can pick it up at your local store. It works pretty seamlessly. And there you have it. Now your garage door opener is smart. Hey Siri, open garage door.
Opening the garage door.
Hey Siri, close garage door.
You got it? Closing the garage door.